Hey guys, Andrew Medlam here. Now inside this short video, I'm going to share a very powerful exercise with you that if you implement, not only will you start commanding the fees that you want to charge, but you'll also start attracting better quality clients as well. So before I share this powerful exercise with you, have you ever got to the end of a strategy session, or you're being sat in front of a prospect, and it comes that time where you need to position your offer and state the fee that you want for them to work with you. But right at the last minute, instead of saying and verbalizing, the price, the figure that you want them to pay, you suddenly reduce that. Or you give some kind of an explanation where you're going to give them an heavy discount, or give them some kind of a, what do people call it, scholarship, if they're like acting out. And any of that stuff, if you do that, for me personally, you're devaluing your self-worth. You're devaluing everything that you've invested in, not just in resources and in cash, but in time, in you getting to where you are right now. It's also devaluing your clients, and it's devaluing the results that you produce for your clients. So it's really mission critical that you can take ownership of your craft, you stand in your power, and you deliver very confidently the fee that you want to be charged. And whatever that fee is, the fee's the fee. There's going to be some people who can't afford that, and that's absolutely fine, right? We understand that. But you still need to step into your power, and that's the fee, that's what you charge. Because here's the thing, 9 times out of 10, right, it's never an economical problem. It's not as though the cash is not flying around right now, and even though we're in lockdown, there's still billions and trillions of dollars in transactions happening right now, but it's just not coming to you. So it's never a them problem, and it's always an internal problem that reflects on us getting paid what we are worth, right? So I want to try and eliminate that right now, and I know that I'm confident if you take this exercise on board and do it correctly, it will do that for you. So here's the question, right, that you need to answer for yourself. And the question is, why do people pay you? Why do people pay you? So here's what I want. This is the way that you answer this question. We need to be thinking like high-level thinking and not low-level thinking, right? So let me give you an example of what low-level thinking is. Low-level thinking is, okay, so people come to me because they want to be part of my program, and they come to me because I help them overcome anxiety or reduce the stress, or I help them to become more assertive or get more confidence, or I help them to, whatever it is, whatever you think your program does, right? That's low-level thinking. That's low-level thinking, because if you always think like low-level, what's going to happen is, well, there's other people out there that also do that. So you need to be thinking high-level reasons why people pay you. So what I'm going to share with you are reasons why I believe people pay me. And then you'll get an understanding of what I mean by high-level thinking, and then you can go away, you can grab a sheet of paper, you can write this question down at the top, and you can bullet point. Now I've got around about 30 reasons why people pay me. So when I come to the end of a strategy session, right, I know I can stand in my power, I can take ownership of everything around me and what I do, and for the clients as well. It allows me to fight for their dreams and command the fees that I want to be paid. So let's just quickly blast through a few of these, right? So one reason why people pay me the money that they do is that I eliminate risk. I eliminate risk. Right now, if they're not investing in a coach, right, they're at the risk of never achieving their goals. They're at the risk of overwhelm, stress, frustration. They're at the risk of investing money somewhere else and never achieving the goals, right? Investing in the wrong areas. So I help them eliminate risk. Another reason why people pay me is to understand them deeper. When somebody pays me, I immerse myself into that person, into their life, into their problem, into their goals, into their desires, into their programs, into their clients, into their message, into their strategy, into their targeting, everything. I immerse myself in. So people pay me to understand them at a deeper level. So that's another reason why people pay me. Another reason is to collapse timeframes. Predominantly, a lot of people have been trying to build their coaching business for not just like a week, but for 6 months, 8 months, 12 months, for 24 months, for 3 years, for 5 years, and they're still struggling. And that time frame is just getting longer and longer and longer and longer. So one of the reasons why they pay me is to collapse time frames. And if I'm helping them to collapse time frames, what am I doing? I'm speeding up the process to achieving their goals. If you can collapse time frames, if you can help people to speed up the process to help them to achieve their goals quicker, easier, faster, and simpler, then isn't that worth investing at the level that you demand? Absolutely. Come on, let's quickly just shoot some other ideas out. Another reason why people pay me is to simplify complexity. People are just getting so complex about building a business. They're making it so difficult. They're getting overwhelmed. They're frustrated. They're stressed. They don't know what to do first. They're doing the right things, but they're doing them in the wrong order of sequence. So I help them to simplify what other people make so complex, so it's easy for them to implement. Let's have a look at some other reasons why people pay me. So people will pay me to fight for their dreams. There's going to be times where they're in self-doubt. There's going to be times where they think, is this really possible? And I'm here to fight for their dreams. I'm here to get them back on track. I'm here to support them, to encourage them, to keep them motivated. On times and days when they just feel a little bit hurt. Because it happens to us all, right? We're only human. But they need somebody in their corner that's cheering them on, that's telling them you can do this. Just keep focused, keep putting the energies in the right areas, keep doing what we know that works, and you're going to start seeing the results. So these are the reasons why people pay me. And as I said, I've got a list around about 30, 35 reasons, and I keep adding to these each and every week. This is why people pay me. You need to create your list of why people pay you. And the next time you start self-doubting yourself, the next time you say to yourself, are really the people going to pay this much money to work with me? Go back to your list and understand the real reasons why people pay to work with you at the levels that you want to be paid.